Uganda People's Congress regrets the unfortunate incident that injured the party president of the National Unity Platform, Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi, during the scuffle between his supporters and the Uganda police at Bulindo Chira Town Council that occurred yesterday, Tuesday, the 3rd of September 2024. Police should restrain itself from high-handedness while managing crowds. As we come closer to the 2026 general election, UPC reiterates its position that all stakeholders, this includes the Electoral Commission, security agencies, civil society, political parties, politicians, and the public at large, must ensure peace and safety of our people before, during, and after elections. It's unfortunate that we see this kind of violence taking place right now. That gives us a fear when it comes to the intensive election process or period, what will happen. So we condemn this kind of act of police high-handedly or manhandling people or citizens. Therefore, UPC requests police to do a thorough investigation into the incident. We are having various versions of stories of what happened, but police has to come out and do investigations and ensure that the perpetrators are brought to book.